There are around 2,000 auto insurance companies throughout USA according to the latest census. Navigating in such a mass of companies might be extremely hard, so without certain assistance the search might be ineffective. Keep in mind though that you should look only for the best car insurance with the adequate price. Going for the low-cost insurance might turn out to be disastrous in many ways. Now, as every car owner already knows, in order to locate low-cost car insurance you only have to log to the internet and use the quote-generating program. However, it will show you only the price side of the car insurance company, while the quality of the service will stay a gray area. If you search for the list of the best auto insurance companies, just utilize internet once more and after that the hard part begins. With the best car insurance providers, you don't have to look too far. Merely search for the reviews, and although their own reviews might be mostly positive, you will find that third-party websites are much more informative. Blogs and discussion boards are a great source of information as well, with first-hand experience with certain car insurance companies. You could also check with the body shops. They normally have a lot to say about the quality and efficiency of claim handling ability of the firm. Other than that, it is important to evaluate companies' financial strength. Normally best auto insurance firms do not have problem with that aspect, still it will be wise just to double check. For that particular reason there are several independent organizations like A.D. Powers or Poor & Standards. They give a full description of the financial stability of specific companies and give their grade, which normally is presented in Latin letter form. At this moment in the list of best auto insurance, the first 3 positions are taken by the Infinity, Allstate and Geico. These 3 companies assume the leading role in the market, having over 40% shares of the entire car insurance business. There are more companies that reach the top 10 positions in the list of best auto insurance firms, which you can look up at your leisure. With low-cost car insurance company, you are never sure if your provider is going to fulfill its agreement or not. Most of them have reviews where one can see how clients were wronged by them, forcing them through endless court trials just not to compensate the damages. With best car insurance companies it is not the case. They might be slightly more expensive, however they are well worth the cost, since they are always going to have your back. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.